Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on PlayStation. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the PlayStation official website. Just choose your country first and now you will see the sign in button. Click on it at the top right corner and now you will be prompted to enter your email address or your user ID. You can type in either one of these and then click on the next button. And now you will be asked to enter your password. Type in your password that you have set while creating your account and then click on the sign in button. And now this will log you in to your PlayStation account right away. And after logging in, you will be taken back into the homepage once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on PlayStation. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.